Ever sat in complete silence and suddenly your ears start ringing? That high-pitched sound isn't imaginary. It's your brain at work. In total silence, your brain amplifies internal noise from your nerves and blood flow. Essentially, your brain dislikes silence so much that it fills the void with its own static. This phenomenon is called spontaneous otoacoustic emission, and over 60% of people experience it. If I had known, I wouldn't have thought I was broken. Now you know. Subscribe for more If I Had Known facts.